Hey there, future engineers. Today, Dr. Mohammed Attia is diving into the fascinating world of soil mechanics lab tests. Let's break down the essential experiments you'll be conducting in your soil mechanics course. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's go. First up is the Atterberg limits test. This experiment determines the critical water contents of fine-grained soil. You'll measure the liquid limit, plastic limit, and shrinkage limit. Basically, it's all about understanding how soil behaves under different moisture conditions. All right, quiz time. Dr. Attia asks, what is the purpose of determining the liquid limit in the Atterberg limits test? Is it A, to find the moisture content at which soil begins to flow? B, to find the moisture content at which soil crumbles? Or C, to measure soil density? Think about it. Got your answer? It's A. The liquid limit is when soil starts to behave like a liquid. Next, Dr. Attia introduces the Proctor compaction test. This one's all about understanding soil compaction. You'll be using a standard or modified effort to compact the soil in a mold. The goal? To find the optimal moisture content at which soil achieves its maximum dry density. Time for another quiz, Dr. Attia asks. The optimal moisture content in a Proctor compaction test helps determine A, soil permeability, B, soil's maximum dry density, or C, soil's shear strength. Think it through. The answer is B. The optimal moisture content is where you get the maximum dry density. Moving on to the triaxial shear test. This is a bit more complex. You'll be applying controlled loads to a cylindrical soil sample to determine its shear strength. This test helps in understanding how soil will behave under different stress conditions. Ready for a quiz? Dr. Attia asks. The triaxial shear test primarily measures A, soil compaction, B, soil shear strength, or C, soil consolidation rate. What's your pick? It's B. This test is all about measuring the shear strength of the soil. Lastly, let's talk about the permeability test. This one measures the ease with which water can flow through the soil. You'll be using either a constant head or falling head method, depending on the type of soil. Final quiz, Dr. Attia asks. Which method is typically used for coarse-grained soils in the permeability test? A, constant head method, or B, falling head method? Ready? It's A. The constant head method is used for coarse-grained soils. And there you have it, an overview of essential soil mechanics lab tests and some quizzes to keep you on your toes. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, stay curious. Catch you next time.